Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Have you ever been wondering how artists produce high quality music and deliver it to their streaming services? If you ever wonder how can I be creating my own sounds and also distribute my sound as an artist to major stores like Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music, or the streaming platform you may even think of. If you like what I do in this channel, subscribe to this channel, like this video. In this video I'm going to show you the 3 basic things for you to use for you to create quality sounds by following step-by-step YouTube video tutorials I made in this channel in order for you to help yourself and also develop and improve good sounding vocals and good sounding music to your stores. I'm going to show you this instrument I use to produce my song as an artist. You can check me out on streaming services Capable King. So this is C3 Behringer C3 mic. I bought this about, let me say, $57, and this is Behringer interface. I bought it $97 from Amazon, and a cheap microphone. It's just a cheap headphone. It's just simple and cheap. You can get this for $10. So all you need is for you to have a laptop, your laptop, and you follow my step-by-step tutorials on my YouTube channel, and you can get all those things done for yourself. So first, what you do, you first understand how to create beats using simple and free software, FL Studio. I will leave a link in my videos. You go and check it. You have access to all the information you need to create your own music. So that is all about this video. I'm telling you, with the use of this and your laptop, you can get good sounding vocals. And there's no studio you go, they have a microphone and they also have the Behringer interface. So these are the major things for you to have, and those money you can pay to your producer to produce your song. You put the effort and learn how you can also do this for yourself. So if you like what I do in this channel, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment how you check it out. Or you click into my channel and you will see series of videos that I teach you how you can create sounds for free without charging you. I have all the step-by-step process for you to do this in my channel. You can do this for yourself and you can create good quality sounds for yourself, all in the comfort of your own zone. You understand what I mean? Like this, you see, this is my little space. I use it to make good music for myself and for my fan to listen. Thank you for watching this video. So if you like this video, like and comment in this video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out in our new update.